Let me remind you, you are under oath. I will ask you one more time. What did Arthur Vance tell you to do with the ledger?
Objection! Your Honor, the prosecution is badgering the witness over a document that doesn't even exist!
Overruled. The witness will answer the question.
He told me to take it to the basement incinerator. He told me to watch it burn.
6 months before that courtroom showdown, the FBI executed a no-knock raid on Arthur Vance's sprawling suburban estate, detailing a brilliant corporate embezzlement scheme.
Elena, the feds are at the data center. They're going to freeze the servers by midnight.
Mr. Vance, the digital logs are already wiped. The firewall's held.
I don't care about the servers. The servers can be hacked, they can be explained away. This is ink, this is my physical signature. Take the notary ledger to the basement, throw it in the incinerator. Do not leave until it is ash. Do you understand me?
Vance thought he had covered his final track. He was wrong. Day 4 of the federal trial. The prosecution was losing, and they knew it. Arthur Vance's defense attorney, William Harrison, didn't need to prove Vance was innocent. He just needed to prove that a hacker could have framed him.
Is it not entirely possible that a remote access Trojan, a virus, could have bypassed my client's firewall?
It's possible, theoretically, but highly unlikely given the encryption. I didn't ask for odds, Agent. I asked if it was possible. Yes or no? Could a rogue IT administrator have forged Arthur Vance's digital credentials to steal this money?
Yes. It is technically possible.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Vance sat at the defense table looking like a martyr. Every time the prosecution presented a digital log, the defense swatted it away as manipulated data. At 2:15 p.m., Prosecutor Davis stood up. She didn't call another forensic accountant. She called a surprise rebuttal witness.
The prosecution calls Elena Rossi to the stand.
Rossi had vanished from the company registry 3 weeks before the FBI raid. They were
Ms.
totally
Rossi,
unprepared
the defense
for what came
claims
next.
that Mr. Vance's digital signature was forged by hackers. But there was another record, wasn't there? A physical notary ledger.
Yes, a blue leather-bound book. It contained Mr. Vance's physical ink signature for every offshore transfer over $1 million.
Objection! Hearsay! My client has already testified that the book was destroyed in a localized office fire.
Ms. Rossi, was the book destroyed?
No. Mr. Vance told me to burn it, but I knew if the FBI found the ashes, he would blame the theft on me. So I walked to a private bank 3 blocks away. I locked the ledger in a safety deposit box under my own name. I gave the location to the FBI this morning.
In 42 seconds, she dismantled his entire life's work. The prosecution had the key and a physical book, and Arthur Vance had no way out. You can blame a computer hack for digital logs, but not for a wet ink on a physical page. The jury deliberated for exactly 2 hours and 14 minutes.
On the counts of wire fraud, grand larceny, and obstruction of justice, we find the defendant Arthur Vance guilty on all charges. The defendant is remanded to federal custody for a period of 22 years without the possibility of parole.
The man who spent his life finding loopholes in the law was ultimately dismantled by an assistant who refused to blindly follow orders. It raises a chilling question. If Vance had just burned the book himself, would he have walked away scot-free? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next session.